And good morning Facebook, how are we today? Welcome to another live video from bright and sunny Cheshire. It's not bright, it's not sunny, it's freezing, wet, cold and drizzling, but hey ho, that's the dice that we've rolled. So absolutely awesome week here this week down at the hub. We had Hella Gutman came over the other day and brought some new stuff to trial. Had some really interesting discussions. Had a video meeting with All Data and Mick Shakeley yesterday from Shakeley Motor Company, to discuss the upcoming event at Shakeley Motors on March the 8th. There's a post on my page. Get yourself booked in, get yourself registered for interest, and we'll see you there on March the 8th. I'll be there speaking alongside a plethora of the industry's best and brightest. Case studies, breakout rooms, all sorts of stuff. It's going to be an absolutely awesome day. So scroll down my posts and find the link and get yourself registered. Absolutely brilliant. What else have we got? News have we got? Ben Automotive, the automotive charity, the people that support us in our industry. We're really proud to have brought them on board as SimplyDiag Network Community Partners. Absolutely awesome work that they do, and it's obviously been one of our charities of choice for a long time. They do a lot of good for people in the automotive industry, so support them where you can. Stronger together, folks. What else have we got going on in the hub today? We've got, let me turn the camera around. We've got everything up and running. So the the live technical support Zoom is up and running now. We've got 3 live feeds from the workshop. I'm able to share my screens, take control of your computer, show you how to set up your tools, how to use the information systems such as Hella HGS and All Data, stuff like that. That's the network. I'm just browsing through my posts now, what's gone on overnight. Like I said, we've got the live Zoom up and running. We've got the Fiesta of Doom with the transmission range fault. I've really got to get on that today and get that sorted and finished. Morning Mike, how are you mate? But yeah, the hub's looking absolutely fantastic as per usual. Selena's been in and worked her magic last night. Well done Selena, thank you very much. We've got the Hella gear there. We're going to get stuck into that and learn how to best maximise the efficient use of the Hella Megamax X and the EV testing tool. Absolutely brilliant. What else? So what else is new? Not a lot really. The Fiesta of Doom. So somewhere down there, there's yet another wiring fault. We've just got to find it. What else? What else is going on? Oh, it's Friday, and you know what that means. We might have to treat ourselves today to Chippy Friday. Who knows? So yeah. So listen, whatever you're doing this weekend, have an absolutely awesome weekend. And we'll see you next week. And if you want to come down and sample the delights of one-to-one training with me down at the community hub and see that all of our partners have got to offer, and you want to sit in the red chair in the VIP area, all you got to do is book onto the link. It's in membership benefits, Zoom and ride along links. Get yourself an appointment booked and you too can sit in that chair. Morning Selena. Yeah, got a little fire going, keep us nice and warm. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, absolutely awesome. So, whatever you're doing today, have an absolutely awesome day. Have a brilliant weekend. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.